Hello, my name is Lisette Martinez Paternina. I study psychology at UNAT. My travel recommendation is Cartagena Bolívar. This trip takes 3 days and 2 nights. Activities to do: the Rosario's Islands, the Old Boots, the Walls, the Castle of San Felipe, tall in Chiva, wall in the center history. The people can stay in a hotel in the historic center, haven on the islands. The dishes and rice are fried fish with coconut fry and fried plantains, seafood cocktail, piña colada, coconut lemon, cherry limonade. Cost. This trip has a cost of 2.500 per person, while our ticket include an inter transportation. Welcome to Fantastic.